Wear by Purple Wear starting today at Almira Gallery only for 2 days. Collection में what do we have? We have something very pretty Indo-Western style. We have amazing Chania Choli, a brand from Rajkot. Then we have something like this elegant no dupatta and ethnic wear for your Rakhi. इसके अलावा we have amazing jewelry especially from Bombay, from Ahmedabad. 2-day show and swipe left to check out the collection.
Came to Ahmedabad. We are brand Glam Girl by Aarti Lata. We came from Rajkot, and you see we come with our beautiful Navratri collection.
Lovely.
You see what I'm wearing. There's a proper signature mirror design we have. This beautiful girls also wearing my brand. So I'll show you some quick our like signature pieces. This is Ajrak handcrafted dupatta.
Black beauty.
With the blouse and skirt. We have all three pieces together. You can check this nice red color handwork dupatta with the blouse.
Lovely.
Then we have the color what I'm wearing. We have 4-5 colors in this.
Just look at that. So pretty, so beautiful.
We have this different kind of colors with us, like a purple. We have almost all color range. You can see.
Okay.
Yeah, we have Kachi. We have a brand from Jaipur, men's wear shirt, just starting from 800 till 1000 rupees. Look at that beautiful pieces we have. We have color options. Like this. And we have something with full sleeves.
Lovely.
Hi, this is Meenal and my brand name is Gemistry that you can see a little on the side, and this is the first time I'm exhibiting.
Alright.
So we have a collection of costume, fashion and destination wedding.
Alright.
So I would like to show you one of my best pieces here.
Yes.
This is again a Sabya copy, if you can see, and the one I'm wearing.
Just look at that. Lovely.
So and one is this. This is again little Indo-Western.
Alright. And for more, you can see.
Yeah, and I can see this. So you can even find the tiger on it. So
Lovely.
and these are some, summer hoops.
Okay.
Hi, this is Mavi by Malvi and we are here for our exclusive collection of semi-festive wear, and what I'm wearing is a drape skirt with a brooch detailing to it and a kaftan style top, and we have more options too. We have something like this with the cut work over here,
Lovely.
and also we have something like this.
Something very unique.
Yeah,
That
it's
stands
a off
out.
shoulder.
Okay.
We have something like this.
Hi, my name is Kitu Patel and my brand name is Mirari. I'm from Rajkot. तो मैं यहाँ पे प्योर सिल्क में जामदानी लेके आई हूँ. This is 10,500 से स्टार्टिंग रेंज है हमारा. This is pretty collection.
Yes. Lovely.
ये टिश्यू पर भी है.
Okay. Lovely. Just look. Satrang, and they have come up with some unique pieces. And one more thing, they have lehengas with pockets, so you can have more fun. Look at the double layered lehenga. And for more collection, yes,
We have also focused on the guys because it is Radha Krishna collection. We are inspired from that. So we have pieces for guys.
right.
All of them are handwork. We have long blouses,
Right.
which are traditional yet modern. We have corsets.
Okay.
We have tube blouses.
All right.
These are the chanias.
Okay.
We have the blouse pieces for everyone. Like these are handwork and these are khat work.
Next up, we have Brand World of Taneer. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, we have blouses with laffa work.
Okay.
We have lehengas that you can pair them with.
All right.
We have chinoon lehengas
Okay.
with a flare of 15 meters.
All right.
We have mal lehengas with our champa flower, which is
Lovely.
our theme for the season. We have Georgian lehengas with the vintage borders.
Okay.
And we have cambric lehengas with beautiful champa.
So this is brand Shrika Silver, and as you can see, they're wearing lovely neck pieces. They have something in fusion as well. They have something in antiques, as you can see. Lovely chokers. They have some anklets, bracelets. They have unique rings as well. They have some. So this is brand Beyond Basic, and as you can see, I'm wearing one of their pieces, which is very stylish, very comfortable. And for more such pieces, let's see.
So Chanya Choli is like this.
Alright.
Like this.
This is brand Heritage Roots, and look at the collection that they have. For more collection, yes ma'am, please tell us.
This is a 3-piece suit set.
Alright.
This is a handwork suit set.
Okay. We have saris.
These all are specially wedding collection. And we have some festive collection for gifting purpose and festive. We have a brand from Jaipur, men's wear shirt, just starting from 800 till 1000 rupees. Look at that beautiful pieces we have. We have color options. Like this. And we have something with full sleeves.
Hi, this is Meenal and my brand name is Gemistry, that you can see a little on the side. And this is the first time I'm exhibiting. So we have a collection of costume, fashion and destination wedding. So I would like to show you one of my best pieces here.
Yes.
This is again a Sabya copy, if you can see. And the one I'm wearing.
Look at that. Lovely.
And one is this. This is again little Indo-Western.
Alright. And for more, you can see.
Yeah, and I can see this. So you can even find the tiger on it. So
Lovely.
and these are some, summer hoops.
Okay.
These are the wallet charms.
So if you're looking for something like this, something that is unique, they have ear cuffs as well. They have a lot of hair accessories, as you can see. A lot of things, a lot of interesting stuff. This is brand Jewelka from Mumbai, and they have a lot of options with accessories, as you can see. They have kadas, some a lot.